wasabi, and oh my god, that is so good.
Wonderful. How is it?
Oh yeah, you will love it, Joe.
Okay, I'm gonna dig right in.
Okay,
New Zealand.
perfect.
The vineyard called Cathedral Cove.
Wow. Well, let's pour. All right. Oh, that look has a nice gold color to it, doesn't it? Wow.
It is a very good wine.
It is. It's an amazing wine. Yes.
Perfect for the tropics.
Okay, so now, why don't we sit down and we're going to say a little bit of it. Perfect, no? Ciao. And it's wasabi and oh my god. That is so good.
Wonderful. How is it?
Oh yeah, you will love it.
Okay, I'm gonna dig right in.
Okay, John, that is a squid. I did the last one just a little bit in the frying pan. Yeah, try that. Yeah. that puts a little bite in the system, right?
Definitely reminds me of Japanese.
Oh yeah.
Reminds me of
Yeah.
the
Wasabi. Oh. The soya sauce is a very special sauce from Japan. A very high grade. It tastes very elegant. Yes, and the wasabi is also right straight out of Japan.
A very good Japanese market.
Yes.
Here in Samui.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, let's try the rest. Ciao.
Did you taste?
This is phenomenal. Fresh, and it's just done so simple. A little bit of rocker. It is beyond good. Oh.
Fantastic! Wow! And look at look at our view from here.
$1 million view.
Yeah.
Ciao.
I'm not beat that.
Always good. January's over, and we have started to drink a little bit of wine. Ciao. Wine is always good.
What kind of wine?
This is a nice little Chardonnay. No.
Sauvignon Blanc.
Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand.
Right.
Today, the feature today is a beautiful, fresh, caught last night squid, and I'm going to do 2 of them. But so the whole idea is in the wok. I put quite a bit of pepper. It's just tons of it. Okay, that's what they say. They put tons of pepper in.
Really?
Yeah, it's just like crazy amounts. Okay, so and then you dry. And then I've already pounded this. See the sea salt in here. I pounded it, and I have it already here. Okay, so this goes also in dry, quite a bit like this. See that?
Wow.
Yeah, it's crazy. Eh? So now it goes in dry like this. Okay. So it's going to use sunflower oil to do this, okay?
Yeah.
So, I've already cut up these rings like this. They're going to be blanched into this. They're going to be put into the egg first, and then into a corn flour. Okay?
Okay.
And then once it's dipped in the corn flour, then it's going to go into the oil. This is really coming alive.
Well,
I've never really done that before, but it's really coming alive.
Traditional. Yeah,
You know?
it smells wonderful. Wow.
Yeah. Really coming alive. So now, in goes a little bit of the oil. Oh, yeah.
Even that smells good.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that just sits there. I'll turn it way down to 4. Now I'm going to complete the cutting of the calamari, the squid. Fresh, like it was caught last night. It's so fresh. Yeah, so that's all there.
The fish market.
Yeah. So now look at this. Just goes like this. Amazing, eh?
To the egg mixture.
Yeah, into the egg mixture. Like
Just
this.
eggs.
Just eggs. Yeah. The pepper and stuff is in there. Okay. Now it goes into the Isn't that amazing?
Amazing.
Okay, so now I'm going to turn this up a little bit. Wash my hands first. Oh, yes, the other thing is these little red peppers have to go in here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah. Here's the scissors.
Yeah.
Okay,
Nice.
so now I'm going to grab this here.
Wow.
Yeah. I can't do them all at once, but this is the first batch, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
And so, yeah, I think that's, it's called salt and pepper.
Salt and
Calamari.
pepper calamari.
To be together, and then the next thing I'm going to do is the Brussels sprouts, fresh Brussels sprouts,
Right.
and what's the other green one?
Broccoli.
And broccoli. That's what this is.
Wow. Oh, very,
That's it.
very. Oh, lovely,
Yeah.
lovely.
Amazing, eh?
Yeah.
So that's going to sit like that for a little bit. And then I'm going to cut the tentacles up next. Okay?
Cool.
I've cut out the bones and whatever, so you don't use it. And then you just cut this out.
and
Broccoli?
and Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts. The last body of the squid. I'm just going to fry it up plain.
Brussels sprouts are like a work of art.
Yes. These, they go in whole. Okay?
Those
With
are
a little bit of water.
Brussels.
Those are the Brussels sprouts. And these are just, these I just go. These go in that size, okay? And then I'm going to cut up the core, chop it up, and put it in there. And it doesn't take long. I try not to leave the core and throw it away. I love if you take and peel like that. Yes, of course, that is too hard to eat.
Too
but
fibrous.
yeah. But then you just cut this into small pieces like this,
Yeah.
and you cut that up, and it's a
But
sound.
cooked
A little bit, yeah.
a little bit.
Yeah, that's good. In go.
That is the source of life right there.
Yes, a little bit of the sauce from the little bit. You don't need much. Just don't overdo it because you don't need a lot. Okay. What? Put the lid on. Voila. Doesn't take long. They'll be ready. You can actually eat that raw if you want, but it'll be perfect.
But
Just a little bit.
with this, it tastes good. It's steamed.
Yeah, it'll be steamed a little bit.
Yeah, very good. Yeah.
A little bit of wasabi in there.
Yeah.
A little bit of this, and that'll be the dip for this. I'm going to cut that up, and that'll be the dip.
Wonderful.
See that?
Oh, very nice.
Perfect. Fry it up. It's a really heavy, almost like a German European bread. And we picked that up today. And we're going to put a little bit of New Zealand butter on there. And we have different types of cheeses. And it's going to be fantastic.
Well, you only really get the New Zealand butter.
Well, you
Or
can
the
get French
French.
butter, but you can get
You can
French
get the
too.
French butter too. Both are very good.
Almost ready to go. Plate it up.
Oh, that was too quick. Nice.
It's almost ready to go. Very plain. And you don't have to do it too long. Yeah?
Drink some wine with that.
Mmm.
Beauty. No, they look just right. Very green. Beautiful, just like the island.
Good.